In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Jira with Excel or Google Sheets. This is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just 5 minutes, making it a helpful tool for those looking to streamline their project management workflows by marrying the dynamic tracking capabilities of Jira with the versatile functionality of spreadsheets. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to Jira's collaboration site. This platform is essential for software, IT, and business teams, providing tools that help you manage your projects efficiently. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Atlassian, where you can easily access Jira. Once you're on the Atlassian homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Jira dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Jira home. The Jira homepage offers an overview of your recent activity and projects. From here, you can access all your Jira boards and the specific projects you're working on. These features are crucial for keeping all your tasks, issues, and workflows organized. Once you're at the Jira home, it's time to go to the specific project that you want to sync. Click on the project label on your dashboard. This step allows you to focus on the specific dataset or issues that you need to export to a spreadsheet. To proceed, look for the three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options button, on the project navigation menu. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down, select Export. This action will provide you various file format options for exporting your data. For the purpose of syncing with Excel or Google Sheets, we'll export the data as a spreadsheet. Finally, click on Spreadsheet to start the export process. This will download your Jira data in a format that's compatible with both Excel and Google Sheets. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it directly with your preferred spreadsheet application to view, analyze, and work with your data. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully synced your Jira projects with Excel or Google Sheets. This integration allows you to take advantage of the powerful capabilities of spreadsheets for data analysis, visualization, and further manipulation beyond what Jira provides alone. Whether you're preparing reports, conducting more in-depth analytics, or simply prefer working in a spreadsheet environment, this process will help you manage your data effectively and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your project management toolkit.